Morning, y'all. The judge's order has kept Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook in her seat, but the fight has split Americans into sharp camps. On one side, people say due process matters. Allegations, even serious ones, don't equal guilt. Cook deserves her day in court, and the Fed's independence must be protected. On the other side, critics argue integrity is everything. If she knowingly misstated mortgages even before her appointment, she can't be trusted with the nation's financial stability. But there may be a middle ground. Cross comments, folks agree on one thing. The truth must be established. If Cook is cleared in court, she should stay. If the fraud is proven, she must go. Both sides in the end lean on the same principle. Evidence, not politics, should decide. What do you think?